National Insurance Commission, Ghana Insurers Association and Graphic Business, I warmly welcome you all to the GIA Graphic Insurance Fair 2025. We are going to have a very brief opening. After that, we go out and cut the tape, and then Commissioner will just move through the stands briefly, then we start our activities for the day. Without much ado, and since we are running by time, we are going to be brief and precise. I call on my CEO, the CEO of Ghana Insurance Association, Dr. Kensi Kwesi-Kwabason, to come and give us a brief welcome address. Thank you. He's standing for MD Kelako.
I'm Commissioner of Insurance. My own boss is the President of GIA. MD and team from graphic business, members of the insurance fraternity, exhibitors, partners, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press. Good morning. On behalf of the board and members of GIA, I welcome all of you to today's program. Boosting insurance in the formal and informal sector is a joint responsibility. We've always been known to be sitting in our offices. Today, we have decided to come out and let people know and understand what we do. I believe that at the end of the day, we would have achieved one of the core objectives of making insurance the Ghanaian way of life. I encourage all participants to engage meaningfully, explore opportunities, and commit to practical steps that will move us from talk to transformation. On this note, I welcome all of you to today's GIA Graphic Insurance Fair 2025. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We quickly move to the GIA President, Mr. Seth Aklasi, to also give us his remarks. Thank you, sir. Please.
Your phone. You have plenty money. Good morning. Commissioner of Insurance, Director of Marketing Graphic, the GIA, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to, where is this? Insurance Fair. Okay, all right, GIA Insurance Fair. Yes, you did say that the partners are the NIC. No, the partners are GIA. Graphic, NIC comes last. You get it? Okay, pay attention to that the next time. It's a great pleasure to welcome all of you to this year's Insurance Fair. Today we gather to celebrate innovation and excellence in insurance. As we open the fair, we recognize the vital role insurance plays in protecting individuals, businesses, and communities. Over the news this morning is the statistics that has been thrown out with respect to the number of accidents that are occurring in this country, that for the first half of this year, for every 24 hours, there are 46 injuries. That is extremely challenging. We in the insurance industry never go out to even inform people that behind all those accidents stands the insurance industry. We cover them, we pay their claims. If you come into the life sector, for all the insured and then the beneficiaries they leave behind, they get payouts as well. We do not even blow our horns to let people know that we keep this economy going. I think that today's fair offers us the opportunity to engage the people who are going to walk through, to be able to inform them about what insurance does, the relevance of insurance, and it's an opportunity to network as well, even amongst with the fellow practitioners. I think there's still people that I have not really met and spoken to. It's not only about talking to the public, but then there is a collaborative effort of those of us who are practitioners as we strive to innovate and keep to the ethics and ethos of our profession, where we will stop all the undercutting and the fact that we feel for even our insureds more than they who have risk that they are transferring. If you go to the other industries, that doesn't happen. So as you engage with the people, please just make sure that insurance is the winner, bringing awareness, and then the importance and relevance of insurance is why we are gathered. Welcome and enjoy the next couple of days.
Let's do it better for our president, please. In fact, I just saw the
It aims to bridge the gap between the insurance industry and the public. So over the next 3 days, the fair will open at 8 a.m. each day and close at 7 p.m. So you can walk in at any time, visit any of the booths, grab some souvenirs, learn more about insurance, the type that will suit your company, your home, your brand, your vehicle, and get involved with insurance because it can save you in the future. So let's seize this opportunity. This is the best opportunity you can get to get the type of insurance that you need that will meet all your needs. We have all the big players in Ghana's insurance here today, not just today, but over the next 3 days, from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. at the food court of the Accra Mall. So let's get involved. I'll be going around to all the booths and also letting you know the names and the specific companies that are here to market their wares as and when they are available. So stay tuned. We'll be going to the booths and be speaking to the reps. They'll be letting us know their offerings that they have, what type of insurance they'll be offering, and if they have any goodies, any special promotion. Just because you walked into the food court of the Accra Mall, to let them know that you need some insurance, they may have some goodies for you. So just walk in. It's from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. each day over the next 3 days. Thank you.
DJ G-Max, the youngest DJ.
Taking my sin, my cross, my shame, rising again, I bless your name. You and I.
DJ G-Max on deck, the youngest DJ.
because of the love, man, it's lit. I can't even tell you without this grace and without this love, we're breathing. Upon all this sin we committing, upon all this fake contribution, upon all the hate in the brethren, man, upon all the lies that I'm telling. Yo, the trials and tribulation hit the king. No matter the situation you were in, the awesome, amazing blessing here and king. And show me the one you believe, and I will show you the truth, I'm a king. Simon chapter 103, praise the Lord, my soul and within.
How dependable our God is, inflexible, immeasurable, incredible. This is not just historical, symbolical, eccentric, dating, a mystical interpretation of love, illogical. Like who loves a guy who's meant to die in hell, but El Shaddai, he's an alien, the only one. I am that I am is the only one. Don't be missing from but really from Christ, what you feel, and you be stand up like a body, guns to square up the mud duckings, we cease to fear us. We go back on our knees, he hears us, no more slugging, we have him to spare us.
Not just but
DJ G-Max on deck, the youngest DJ.
Serenity Insurance. Good morning. Please, I just want to
What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day.
Prudential, good morning. This is Mpokuzuri, I'm a graphic online. My team will be coming around.
Mountain top and valley low, in every season this I know, your goodness like the dawn will break again. All your mercies rising in this heart again, and my soul begins to
Jersey.
Your faithful day dawn. It's time to sing your song.
DJ Gaz on the turntables.
Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, worship Your holy name. Bless the Lord, my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name.
So I'm Kwekuzurek. We are still here at the 2025 Insurance Fair, and I'm here with Dr. Nashiru Drisu, the first Vice President of the Ghana Insurers Association. Dr. Idrisu, welcome to Graphic Online and the opening day of the 2025 Insurance Fair.
Thank you very much. It's exciting to be here. I see we are ready to paint the home of insurance. Yes.
And I can see you are very excited. If I may know, what is making you so excited and what are your expectations of over these 3 days?
Yes, obviously the objective for this fair, anyone who thinks about insurance should be excited about this 3 days event. The reason is that, as you very much aware, the awareness of insurance is still in these very foundations, and we want to, or we seek to ensure that everybody who truly values what he has put together, any form of asset it is, or truly values his life and that of his family, should be here to witness the numerous insurance products that we are displaying in the next 3 days. Yes, so it's exciting. It's a good place to be the next 3 days. You cannot afford to be anywhere else. Just come around. If you are dining here, after dining, come through and walk through the stands. Obviously, you're going to find a product that suits you or your family or businesses or assets that you put together over the years. What we do best is to ensure that, yes, we take care of the difficult times. That's all insurance is all about. Transfer those risks to us. And then when it's time for you to claim, you come smiling, because paying claims is our business. When business to pay claims, yes, you might have had some 1 or 2 experiences in the past, but I tell you what, it's the duty of every responsible insurance company to pay claims and pay genuine claims promptly. That's what we do best. So yes, those who had all manner of perceptions about insurance, I tell you what, this fair would bring a lot of clarity. Your engagement with various officers who are gathered here. And it's not just one company, yes. There are about 30 companies gathered here, both life and general, and even health, So whatever your questions are, please walk through the mall and come to our stands or come to the fair, and all your questions will be answered.
And Dr. Idrisu, as a follow-up, you mentioned education being a barrier to people getting involved with insurance. I'd also like to know, aside education, are there any other challenges to the sector that you may want viewers to know?
Yes, I think that there's been a lot of trust issues and then perception. People have had some experiences, bad experiences in the past. But I tell you what, it's basically about understanding what kind of product you are buying. It's usually the case that people buy one product with another expectation.
Yes.
Now, if you get the opportunity to understand exactly what product you are buying, I tell you what, your experience will be fantastic. Because nobody would sell insurance for you and have any intention not to pay your claims. If the event occurs, I tell you what, we are more than happy, because that in itself is an advertisement. When you pay genuine claims and pay it promptly, it's an advertisement for the company that did that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you what, come to us. Let's redefine insurance. And I believe that, look, with Ghana Insurance and this fair, as it has just started today for the next 3 days, all your questions or you find answers to all your questions about insurances.
Finally, can you give us an overview of the insurance sector in Ghana, some figures to back up? How is the sector faring? Is it in the best of health, or there's more room for improvement?
A lot of opportunities as the economy strives. insurance gets better. And obviously, as I said, whether you are a family, whether you are a company, even nations insure, So we can only get better. We are not in the place where we are so happy with. We're doing less than 2% of penetration. That is about 2% contribution to GDP. And we believe we can do better. And that's how you would see a lot of microinsurance, basically to ensure we tap into the uninsured. And I'm happy to note that the theme for this is boosting insurance in the formal and informal sector. Insurance is not only for people in the formal sector. Yes, people in the informal sector, they equally have lives, don't they?
Exactly.
They have
and
properties,
they have a lot
don't
of
they?
properties.
They have businesses.
They are
don't
even
they?
richer than the people in the formal
Exactly.
sector.
SME contributes close to about 80% to the economy.
Yes.
And respectfully, largely, most of them are in the informal sector. Tell me that they don't need insurance. They do need insurance. We just need to take insurance to them, take away the technicalities, and I tell you, I would open up the market. And I would say that, look, let's embrace, especially digital insurance, which is quite common now.
Yes.
With the click of a button, you can get, and as low as a 5 Ghana cedis, you can get yourself an insurance policy from selected a number of insurance companies who have moved through partnership with the telecos, MTN, Telecel, etc. There's a lot of innovation happening in the insurance industry. So if you were thinking was that insurance is still very conservative, I tell you what, no. If you're thinking was that we are still very traditional, we have a lot of innovative products that would meet everybody's needs in one way or the other.
Thank you very much, Dr. Idrisu.
Thank you.
So that was Dr. Nashiru Idrisu, the first vice president of the Ghana Insurance Association, here at the 2025 Insurance Fair at the food court of the Accra Mall.
All the way from South Africa.
Hallelujah.
Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
Okay, mic 1, 2, try 2. Try.
Our daily bread and forgive our debts as we forgive those who sin against us. Yeah. Let your kingdom come, amen, and your will be done. Let your kingdom come, and your will be done. Everybody, amen, 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 amen.
Health insurance, and we didn't read that. Yeah, NHIS. I really like you. Oh. Oh, right. It's not in the afternoon. Okay, but that's a sound. Ah, where's the other mic? Then what is that?
It's working. You want that?
Troubles come my way, problems come my way, but he has said to me, he'll always be there for me. He'll always hold my hand. Troubles come my way, problems come my way, but he has said to me, he'll always be there for me. He'll always hold my hand because I know that I'm not afraid. My troubles are sore. My troubles are handled. I know I am safe. Yeah, because I know that, yeah. I'm not afraid. My troubles are sorted. My troubles are handled, yeah. I know I'm safe, yeah. Listen to me. What the devil said, I will not believe. Only in your word. That's what I'll trust in. Always. 'Cause you never fail. Forever gracious and merciful to the end. Forever faithful, 'cause you are the same. Yesterday, today, forevermore. I'm not afraid.
25 Insurance Fair brought to you by the Graphic Communications Group Limited, the Ghana Insurance Association, and the National Insurance Commission. And in case you can't tell, my smile has gotten wider. Firstly, because I'm here at the Insurance Fair, and also I've been joined by two beautiful ladies on set. You are welcome. Can you tell us your name?
Abena Ahen.
Erabna.
They'll be joining me to speak to the insurance companies that are gathered here about insurance. They'll be joining me to speak about insurance with all the insurance companies that are gathered here. So, Abina, what are your expectations for the next 3 days?
Okay, so I'm expecting nothing but the best. I'm sure it will be very exciting, and I can't wait to have interaction with some of the companies here. Yeah.
What about you, Erabna?
Personally, I don't know anything about insurance, and I am hoping to be educated very well and also know some policies that works in my interest. So yeah.
Okay, so you'll be joining us as we visit the various booths, and we'll be speaking to the companies on the theme boosting insurance in the formal and informal sectors. So let's go around, speak to some of the companies, and I think it's only right that we start with Penyin the Penyin SIC Insurance PLC. SIC, they are one of the few insurance companies that are listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange, and we are happy to join them here. Can I just join you behind your booth? Let me join you behind your booth for this conversation. So can you introduce yourselves?
My name is Victoria. I'm Akosia.
And you are?
My name is Mavis.
Francis Okansi.
Okay, so today we are here to speak about boosting insurance in the formal and informal sectors. SIC, what do you have for the informal sector? That's where my focus will be this morning.
Yes, for SIC, we have all the various lines of portfolios. We've been the first in the industry, and we are still the first. When you talk of human resource, SIC is number one. You go to the other insurance company, all the top management leaders are from SIC.
You said SIC is the first. Don't let them beat me. 21 insurance companies are here. And you are telling me SIC is the first. Please, are you sure about what you are saying?
Yes, we are. We have whatever it takes. We have the capacity. We have the money. We have the resource, human resource, financial resource. So the best place to be is SIC Insurance.
Okay, so for myself, my mom is a trader. What type of insurance can SIC give my mom to protect her business against that issue?
Your mom is a trader. We have property insurance for your mom. Your mom has maybe, she's dealing in maybe hardwares. You've gone for loan and you need to protect your money. So you need to take insurance. SIC has fire insurance to cover that of the content or the stock in trade for your mom. And then even if the shop is the owner of the shop, SIC can still cover the shop. And so your mom business, we have whatever it takes to do everything for him. He doesn't have to go anywhere because we can cover the shop, we can cover the stock in trade, which your mommy is dealing in. So when you do that, your financial mind everything is well protected. That is why you have to come to SIC.
Right now, you have almost convinced me, but I'm thinking, what are the premiums like? Because every month when that deposit hits, I frown my face.
In fact, a property insurance, the premiums are just so low, but people just don't know. People just don't know. But when you come to us, even here, we just do something small for you, and you realize that property insurance, the premium are so low. So I see no reason why people take huge sum of money, invest into businesses, and they don't come and do insurance. So please, the property are so low. I can just work something for you right now, and you realize that it's just so low. Property insurance is so low as if you compare to motor insurance.
Okay, so finally, just look into this camera for me. And in case someone is watching from home or hearing our voice here at the Accra Mall, convince the person to walk in. There are over 30 insurance companies here today. Convince the person to come to SIC. Since you say you are the biggest and the best, convince the person, finally.
Yes, so like I said from the onset, we are the first and we are the biggest. We have the human resource and we have the financial resource. And like you said, there are other insurance companies. But go there and you see SIC people are fast through SIC. And so the best place to be is SIC. Come and we'll give you whatever it is. Companies have come, governments have come, governments are gone. But SIC is still SIC. And we are still in business, very strong.
I know earlier on I said this is my last question, but this is my last question. Because I've received a signal. And the signal is telling me that even though SIC is the oldest, they are embracing technology. With regards to embracing technology, they've adopted an AI. Can you tell me about the AI and what it can do for me? In case maybe I'm shy, I don't like speaking to people. So I want to chat with an AI chatbot.
Okay.
So can you tell us your name and tell us about your chatbot?
My name is Phyllis Tete. I'm with SIC Insurance. And our AI, or the chatbot as you want to call it, is ERA SIC. And ERA SIC is the fastest, the best, the most efficient. I know everyone tries to copy. It's good because we are the leaders, so we love it when people try to copy. But for now, ERA is the best. She's so fast, even after working hours. So after 5 p.m., weekends, whether you are home, wherever you are, at the comfort of wherever you are, just pick your phone, you can buy insurance, and she's so fast. You can give it a try.
So aside buying insurance, what else can ERA do for me?
ERA can assist you with all insurance needs, any question, claims. You know, insurance is all about claims. Yeah. So you have any issue,
I'm very interested in the claims part.
I know, and that's why ERA
in that part, the claims.
I know, and that's why ERA is here for you. So all you have to do is, so it's automated. You ask, hi ERA, she responds, okay, I have a claim, blah, blah, blah. Then she gives you feedback. Or we'll tell you that, okay, I'm going to let someone call you right away. And the call comes through.
So 11 p.m., I can go to ERA and say, ERA,
12 midnight. 12 midnight. You can chat ERA and say, ERA, I had an accident right now, and I need to be sorted.
You see when she said, I had an accident, I didn't say Tofiakwa, because with SIC I'm covered, right?
You are covered. I like that. You are covered. So chat ERA today on WhatsApp. The numbers are 0555 441485. So fast, so easy.
So thank you very much. That was the team from SIC. We'll be moving on to Old Mutual. Old Mutual, are you ready for us? Old Mutual, are you ready for us? Hey, so when I say Old Mutual, what will you say?
Great things.
Old Mutual.
Do great things.
Old Mutual.
Do great things.
So Old Mutual, I can see you have some offerings here for people that will be visiting your stand. You have some flasks.
Yes.
You have some diaries.
Yes, we do.
You have some key holders.
Yes.
You have some pens. You have some. There's a lot. So just walk into the booth here. Any of the insurance companies, you would not walk away empty-handed. We'll all be walking away with something today if you just join the booth. So Old Mutual, today we are here to talk about boosting insurance. Particularly, we are looking at the formal and also with specific focus on the informal sector. So Old Mutual, what do you have for people that are walking here today to your booth? You can speak to the camera.
So for Old Mutual, our phrase is called do great things, okay? We know how.
Old Mutual, the people are telling me they can't hear you. Are you not sure? Or?
I'm very sure.
Yes, so let them hear you. Old Mutual, what do you have for us today?
So we have insurance policies for everybody. We don't look at the age because everybody has a specific need. Everybody wants what he or she wants to do. Maybe for me as a young person, I need an investment. For somebody whose parents is getting old, he or she is looking at death because death is unexpected.
Yes.
Death can occur. And we are looking at a young man who has just started a family. Maybe he has one kid, 2 children.
Yeah.
And we know how education is very important in Ghana here. Yeah. For me, as an example, my father gave birth to 4 of us. I'm the firstborn. So I know what I'm talking about. He didn't do an insurance, but he did SNIT.
Okay.
The SNIT paid for the house and also catered for our school fees.
Okay.
He himself, he went to Form 4. He didn't go far.
Yeah.
But he thought that in the future, he's going to have children.
Exactly.
And he, as a man or as a breadwinner of the family, he cannot let the children, he cannot, as a person, or even as a man, you can't give your children to another man to take care of them.
Exactly.
It will be a shame for you. So he thought about it. So when I came, when I was born, he started putting some money down. When you look at his pay slip, he worked at Temastil, if you know Temastil very well, for 30 good years. When he shows you his pay slip at the end of the month, it's something small. But he had to sacrifice. He had to sacrifice for the future. So what we are telling the young Ghanaian people or people from all walks of life, you have people in the academia, you have people who have opened their shop, you have people who are trying to make ends meet. We are telling them that put something down small
Exactly.
because you don't know what might happen in the next few hours. And insurance is protection against risks.
Exactly.
It's like you are in a factory.
Yeah.
Even though the company will protect you, give you a working gear, but you have to take responsibility for your own self.
Exactly.
Or you have bought a car. Why do companies say insure your car? Because even though maybe you are on your lane, somebody will veer off.
Exactly. And we don't want the situation
Exactly.
where when you go and get your problem, you'll be messaging Carrie at 11 a.m. that you need a
Yes, yes. So you as a human being, you know that you have to insure. Maybe you buy a car. It's a property you bought. Your life is more precious than the car.
Yes.
Please do get me.
So you have to get
You
the
have to
insurance.
insure your life. Your life is first. Everything else second.
Yes. So Courage, I want you to just narrow in and tell us about Old Mutual's investment products. Yes. So can you introduce yourself and tell us about Old Mutual's investment products that you have at this fair that anyone that can hear my voice can just walk in, come to Old Mutual and get an investment package. So tell us about Old Mutual investment options.
Okay, my name is Belinda Tano, a senior sales manager of Old Mutual.
Okay, Belinda.
So, like he rightly said, with Old Mutual, we do great things every day.
Exactly.
So we have a funeral policy here. We call it a transition policy. We have our investment policy. We call it special investment plan.
Okay.
So with what you just said, this is our investment policy.
Okay.
Special investment plan. And with this policy, anybody can take this policy, whether the entrepreneurs, being our market people, the informal sector, or the formal sector like me and you, we can take this policy.
Yeah.
Now, when you take this policy, you pay monthly premiums.
Okay.
Okay, so the monthly premiums that you are paying, because you are also investing with the insurance company, we will cover your life.
Okay.
Now, we are giving you 120 times the premium you are paying for us as your cover. That's the sum assured as your cover, so that in case the unforeseen occurs or the eventuality occurs, that sum assured is given to you.
Okay, so let me ask one question. Okay, so let's take it that my football age is 25. Let's take it that that's my football age.
Sure.
I'm 25.
Sure.
And I want 1 million cedis by the time I'm 50.
Okay.
How is my premium looking like? That's where a lot of people's focus is.
Okay.
How is my monthly premium looking like?
Okay, so 1 million Ghana cedis.
Yes.
We have to spread it for a duration of at least 10 years.
Okay.
And know the monthly premium you pay on every month, so that by the time that 10 years is due, you get your 1 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
That's aside the interest that will be added to it. The
okay.
interest is also what compounding. So that's aside the interest that you'll be getting. So we need to sit down and then look at the monthly premium. That will be convenient for you to do.
Okay, so just walk in case you want your 1 million cedis.
Yeah.
Just walk into Old Mutual, get signed on, speak to Belinda and Courage.
Yes.
Just come and speak to them. They have goodies for you.
We have the
goodies
SIP
are
special,
for free.
Yes, and then we have the education policy as well that a parent can take for their awards, either biological children or stepchildren. So you take this, and then we also insure the life of the parent as well. In case of death, Old Mutual will take over the policy, pay your premiums for you, so that the educational life of the child will still go on.
Some junior high schools are going on vacation today. So if you are a parent and you can hear my voice, this is the time to start planning for the next semester.
Yes.
So walk into Old Mutual,
Yes.
get their educator plan, and secure the future for yourself and your kids. Thank you very much, Old Mutual. We are moving to the next booth, which is My Life Insurance. My Life Insurance. So when I say my life, what do you say?
You say live more.
My Life Insurance.
Live more.
My Life Insurance.
Live more.
Sir, can you introduce yourself and tell us the offerings that you have for people that will be coming to the 2025 insurance fair?
Thank you very much. I'm Derek Amwaku, branch manager for Spinters branch.
Hey, branch manager. Then it's not a small joke here for My Life. My Life brought their branch manager here.
We are in to serve.
And their branch manager is behind the table with the staff.
We are in to serve.
They mean business. So walk in here. It's not every day you get to engage a branch manager. So walk in here and speak to the branch manager himself. You can take his contact.
My CEO was even here.
The CEO is also around. So in case you are not sure, walk in here. They are letting you know that their foot is on the ground. Their men and women are here. So walk in and engage My Life.
Sure.
My Life, this fair is about boosting insurance.
Yes.
Insurance penetration is not too great in Ghana as a whole, the country as a whole, particularly within the informal sector. So what does My Life have for people in the informal sector?
Okay, so for My Life, we believe in making insurance simple, affordable, so that everybody in Ghana can have access to insurance. For that reason, we have a policy that you just have to pay a minimum of 6 cedi, 50 pesos, and you can have an insurance policy.
6 cedis, 50 pesos. And what's the payout like? Me, I'm always interested in the payout.
So that's what we call the My Way. So with your mobile phone, you just dial *165#, and then you can have access to the benefit. You can pay a maximum of 36 cedi, 50 pesos every month.
Okay.
And you have a death cover of 17,840 if you pay for 6 months.
Please slow down. I'm interested in the money. Anytime I hear money, my spider senses start tingling. You said I'll pay 36 cedis each month and get how much?
So for the My Way, pay 36 cedi, 50 pesos every month. And touch wood, if you decide to die or a family member you added decides to die,
I'm touching the wood.
We pay 17,840 if I paid for 6 months.
Okay.
Yes. And then apart from that, we give you hospitalization benefit. Should you be admitted at the hospital for 3 days or more, out of your 36, you still have insurance benefit that we pay out. Out of that, you also have a disability benefit, which is 8,920. Once you suffer any of our critical illness, critical illness, we pay. Example is stroke, cancer, kidney failure, brain tumor, major burns. There are lots of them, and then we pay you that amount. So it is very simple. Just dial *165#, and then you can enjoy the benefit. You have a savings opportunity as well, that every time you do your payment, you can add your savings to it.
So the Spintex branch manager for My Way is telling
My
you
Life
that
Insurance.
For My Life Insurance.
Yes, please.
Is telling you that in case maybe you are in a hurry, you have somewhere to be, just pick up your phone.
Yes.
And dial *165#.
Yes.
That's the code to dial.
Yes, for all
*165# for all MTN users.
Vodafone, you dial *462.
So on Vodafone, that's *462#.
Yes.
To sign on to a policy and start enjoying your benefits.
Exactly.
So in case you are in a rush, you have a serious meeting from here.
Yes.
You can't come in. Just pick up your mobile phone. It doesn't have to be a smartphone.
Yes.
It can be a feature phone. Then you dial *165# on MTN. On Telecel.
*462.
*462#.
Yes.
So aside the My Life or the My Way insurance, are there any other policies you'd like? Anyone hearing our voice, watching us live at this moment on Facebook at Graphic GH and on YouTube at Graphic Online? Are there any other policies you'd like them to know?
There are a lot of policies. I would like to talk about the My Kids.
Okay, My Kids.
We are here today because our parents managed to give us better
Exactly.
education. But the unfortunate thing is that some parents, perhaps, they pass on before their children are able to complete education.
Yes.
So we have a policy called My Kids. It gives you opportunity to insure your children on the policy.
Okay.
And then you yourself. Whilst you are alive, every year you can be able to take money from the policy to pay school fees.
Okay.
And touch wood, when you pass on to your child's school fees becomes our
Touching
problem.
the wood again. Touching the wood again.
We will pay the school fees and ensure that your child gets that better education the child deserves. So that's about My Kids.
Okay, fantastic. Now, before I leave the booth, I would like you to look into this camera.
Yes.
And speak to the viewers and people at home who are still not sure about insurance and My Life. Speak to them and convince them at home before we move away from your booth.
Okay, if you are watching us today, insurance is something that you need in your life. It's just like a spare tire. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So if you don't have insurance, take advantage today and come to My Life Insurance and sign on board. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. That was My Life Insurance. And they want me to remind you again, My Life Insurance, they have *165#. Oh, me have packages with all the companies here. Oh. You've not been told. I have my way. I have packages with all the companies. I'll give you my number so that you check. I'll do that. Don't worry. I'm coming. Let me go to Imperial General. Don't worry. I really like the money, the benefits. So we are moving on to Hollard Insurance. Hollard Insurance. When I say Hollard Insurance, what do you see?
Ghana's favorite insurer.
Hollard Insurance.
Ghana's favorite insurer.
Hollard Insurance.
Ghana's favorite insurer.
So can you tell me about Hollard? It sounds French. Can you speak to the viewers at home and myself? Give us some education about Hollard and why they should choose Hollard and your Mebambo Insurance.
Well, when we say Hollard, we say Ghana's favorite insurer. Hollard is an English name. It's not French.
Okay.
Our founder just got it. It's a very simple name.
Okay.
It's a street name.
Okay.
When you go to South Africa.
Oh,
so
that's
it's just
nice.
an English
That's
name.
Nice. That's nice.
When we say Hollard, we are a group of insurance.
Okay.
We do life, we do non-life. When it comes to our life, we have various products.
Okay, tell us about the products.
Yes.
I can see here a Depa family plan.
Yes.
Then I have another one here, a Depa Ofie plan. Then I can see on your clothes you have Mebambo insurance made for you.
Yes.
So tell us about some of these plans and which one you think I should sign on to.
Sure. Like I said, we do life and non-life.
Okay.
When it comes to our non-life, we do motor.
Okay.
We do room content or house content. We do marine. We do a lot of them.
Do you do mobile phones?
In fact, we do mobile phones.
Okay, so in case you spent over 20,000 cedis on your mobile phone, and you are always worried about dropping it, you can walk into Hollard and get a package for your mobile phone and contents in your home like your TV, your air conditioner, your washing machine. So carry on, tell them more.
Good. Like I said, these ones you are seeing here are our life products.
Okay.
When we say life, everything about human being is here. This product I'm holding is called Adepa Ofie.
Okay.
As low as 27 Ghana cedis, we could cover your life from 2,500 to 15,000.
That's the payout?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm saying that at my age, at your age, just give us 57 Ghana cedis. We cover you 15,000 Ghana cedis. It's not just for your life. It's include your spouse. If you do have one, like me, your spouse is covered from the same 57 Ghana cedis.
I've started doing calculations in my mind, though. That's why it appears as if I'm confused.
In fact, let me
You said how much a month? How much?
57 Ghana cedis. Just that. And this gives you, the policy holder, 15,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
It gives your spouse same 15,000 cedis. We've not left your children. We are saying that because you have taken this policy, we are giving you a free cover for 5 children.
Okay.
For free.
So in case you can hear our voices here from the food court of the Accra Mall, and you have 50, even if you have 50 cedis, you walk in, I'll top up the 7 cedis for you.
Fantastic.
If you have 50 cedis, walk in, I'll add the 7 cedis. So that you can sign on to Hollard Insurance.
The beautiful aspect of this product is that this 57 you are paying,
Yes.
in case, let me use the word touch wood.
Yes.
And I know you touch the wood.
Let me touch the wood again.
Good.
Let me touch the
If
wood.
you really touch the wood,
Yes.
we are giving you back this 57 cedis you have paid throughout your life.
Okay.
In addition to the 15,000 I made mention of.
Oh, that's nice.
So
That's
you know
nice.
you can't get this anywhere.
You can't go wrong with Hollard.
You cannot.
So tell me about your short code, the networks that it can be accessed on, and what benefits I'll get if I dial *269 hash.
As you can see here.
Hey, you have my uncle there. My uncle is your ambassador.
That's good. So if you dial our 269, we are giving you all these covers.
Okay. I can see
them
you
as
have a
low
premium
as
of 2 cedis a month.
Just give us 2 Ghana cedis, and we'll give you a cover of 1,000 Ghana.
So Hollard is saying if you sign on to Mebambo,
yes,
and you manage to give 2 cedis every month, the payout that you'll be getting in the case of anything is 1,000 cedis.
Sure. You do 25 cedis, we'll give you 15,000 Ghana cedis.
That's nice. So it starts from as low as 2 cedis with the highest premium being 50 cedis.
Yes, please.
That's fantastic. Just dial *269 hash For Hollards, Mibambo, they have a policy that starts at 2 cedis a month. There's another for 10 cedis a month with a payout of 5,000 cedis. There's another for 25 cedis, a payout of 15,000 cedis. And there's another for 50 cedis with a payout of 50,000 cedis. So in case you can hear my voice coming to you from the food court at the Accra Mall, just dial *269#. That's Hollard Insurance. So finally look into the mic and try to convince viewers at home to walk into the Accra Mall today, have a conversation with you. It's not just for new people that want to sign on. In case you have a policy here and you just want to check up, you can walk in here, have a conversation with Hollard. Their systems are here, they are ready to assist you. So convince somebody that's still not sure after all the good things that you've told the person. Maybe the person's house people, as we say. The person's house people is still worrying the person. Convince the person to walk in. As low as 2 cedis, you can get a cover.
Sure. Hello, Hollard Insurance. Just as we say, we are Ghana's favorite insurance. We want you to walk in here to Accra Mall. Come have experience with us. If you do have a policy with us, come, let's check on the policy for you. If you do not have one, please come. As low as 2 Ghana cedis. We'll give you a cover up to from 1,000 Ghana cedis to 30,000 Ghana cedis. Come all, and you will not regret it. Come to Hollard. Thank you.
Okay, so that was Hollard Insurance, and they're asking you if you not do anything at all with your phone today. Just dial
*269#, and you'll be covered.
That's fantastic from Hollard. So we are moving to Imperial General. Imperial General, they have a lot of goodies. I'm so happy visiting their booth because their goodies are on display. Imperial, when I say Imperial, what do you say?
Solid protection.
Imperial General Insurance.
Solid protection.
Imperial, how solid is your protection? Tell me more.
Our protection is very solid because our number one priority is the payment of claims.
Okay.
And you know, with insurance, it's about claims payment. So our payments speak for us. That's why we say solid protection.
If I may just move a bit away from the format with the previous companies.
Yeah.
How did you hear about this insurance fair, and why did you decide to get involved?
Actually, we were part of it last year.
Yes.
The one that was held at AMA Gardens.
The AMA Gardens,
yes. We're part of it and we enjoyed it. We saw the benefits of partaking in it.
Okay.
So we're looking forward to this year's own.
Okay,
And
so in case someone can hear our voices from the food court of the Accra Mall, we're also live on Facebook at Graphic GH, on YouTube at Graphic Online. So tell us, which particular policy would you like me to sign on to?
Okay, so as a general insurance company, we provide general services, general products like SIC mentioned. We also do bonds.
Hey,
we do
you're
marine.
mentioning them, don't beat me.
Yeah.
Stop mentioning them. Let's focus on Imperial.
We're listening to you.
Let's focus on Imperial.
Yes.
What does Imperial have for people?
Yeah, so with Imperial, we have a new product that is in the market.
Mm-hmm.
It's our baby. It's called the collision insurance. It's an upgrade of the third party that we do for our vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah, so...
when you say it's an upgrade, what does that mean?
Yes, so we looked in the market and realized that with the third party cover, the normal third party cover, the insured doesn't get covered. When he gets into an accident, it's a third party that gets covered.
Okay.
But he or she who is insured doesn't get covered.
Yes.
So our innovation team came out with this product that gets you covered in addition to the third party.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get your parts repaired for you and you still get the third party cover for yourself. And the third party cover is $530. But then with this, you just have a top up of $265 on the $530 and you have this cover for your vehicle. So you pay $795 and then you are covered for up to a limit of 6,000 cedis.
That's fantastic.
Yes,
so
we have it. They are in two folds.
Exactly.
There's another one that is up to 10,000 cedis.
Okay.
So if you opt for 10,000, if you value your car, you know that your car is valuable and you want to insure it, and you increase the sum insured to 10,000. So with that one, you pay 1,080 cedis, and you are covered for a limit up to 10,000 cedis.
So aside the motor insurance policies, are there any other offerings that you like people to know about from Imperial General Assurance?
Yes, we also have our fire policy, which we cover for private buildings and institutions and companies.
Lately, too, in the news, there have been a lot of reports about fires.
Yes, so we do that, and as I said, our claims are prompt. So if you are a business person, if you have an insurance, if you don't have an insurance, Imperial is the best place to be.
You said your claims are prompt. How prompt? If all my documents are in order,
Yes.
how soon will I
So
get
we
that payment?
usually we start calculating from the day you submit all your documents.
Okay.
So when you submit all your documents within 24 hours, we do the payment. But then if there are some complications involved in the accident, like let's say death, that would demand police to come in and do investigations. That is where it would drag. But if that is not involved, within 24 hours, we do the payment.
That's fantastic. So before I leave your booth, you have some goodies here for
Yes, we have.
anyone that walks into your booth. And also, if you could add up by convincing viewers at home or anyone that can hear our voice from the food court of the Accra Mall to walk in here, just have a conversation with your people. It's not going to be anything stressful. You show them your offerings, they sign on, and they walk away with something. So convince them to walk in.
Yeah, so at Imperial, here at the stands at Accra Mall, we have some souvenirs to give out to our clients who come. We have a tissue box, we have dusters, we have air fresheners that we'll give out to clients who come and sign on. And I would like to conclude by entreating clients to come for the collision insurance. It's an upgrade on the third party. It is the only policy in the market that you can get from Imperial General Assurance. So walk into Accra Mall, come look for the Imperial General stand, and we'll serve you. Thank you.
So thank you very much. That was Imperial General Assurance. Last year I kept on making an error and they kept on correcting me. So this year I'm not going to make that error. I'm not even going to repeat the error, but you see they're laughing, they know the error. It's Imperial General Assurance. So just walk in here, have a conversation with Imperial General Assurance, and they'll give you a policy. Even if you don't get a policy, you walk away with some goodies. They have some dusters, they have some tissue. So let's stay tuned to the coverage on Daily Graphic GH on Facebook and Graphic Online on Facebook, on YouTube. So let's move on to the next booth as we get ready to welcome my co-host, Irabna, who will be taking over for me shortly. So the people are tired of seeing me, so I'm being subbed out. And my co-host, the beautiful Irabna, is taking over coverage. She will be engaging all our exhibitors here. And you have the best of insurance, assurance, and everything you need with regards to safeguarding your life, your property, your possessions, under the theme, boosting insurance in the formal and informal sectors of our economy. So take over, Abna.
Thank you so much. And hello. I can see GIA here. And when we say GIA, what do you say?
So GIA is the trade association of all insurance companies in Ghana. That is Ghana Insurance Association. And GIA, we have 47 insurance companies that are members currently. We have 5 reinsurance companies, 24 general insurance companies, and 17 life insurance companies who are members. So what we do is that we are the trade association and we make sure that whatever the insurance regulator brings on board for insurance companies, they abide by it. If there are any rules and conditions that are given to them that are not good, we go to the regulator and negotiate for them. We also come out to insurance rates and premiums. We also have what we call the Complaints Management and Advice Bureau. Yes,
okay.
Yes, our flyer. We are saying that if you are troubled by your insurance provider, talk to us. We realize that people have a lot of issues when it comes to insurance, and these issues are not being addressed properly. Okay. So there's a perception out there that people think that insurers don't pay claims. However, insurance companies pay claims regularly. NIC's, that's National Insurance Commission's report of 2023, says that insurance companies pay 8 million Ghana cedis averagely a day, which most people don't know of. 8 million Ghana cedis averagely on claims that we pay, but people don't know about it. So we are here to clear perception on insurance claims, and make sure that anybody who has an insurance complaint should contact GIA Complaints Bureau, and the issue will be resolved for you without any cost, free of charge. Yeah.
Okay, so if I should understand you well, all the insurance companies here are under GIA.
Yes, they are members.
They are your members.
They are members. Yes.
And they operate in terms with your regulations.
Yes,
Okay.
they do that. They do that. So we make sure that their premiums that they charge are adequate enough. They pay claims promptly. They pay genuine claims promptly. They are not financially unstable. Everything that they do is in regulation with the insurance practice of Ghana. Yes.
Okay, so how many years have you been in the system?
So GIA is over 35 years, but the Complaints Bureau was formed in 2018, June 2018. When we realized that the perception out there when it comes to insurance claims is so bad. People always don't want to take insurance because they feel that when you take insurance and it's time for you to claim, there are a lot of delays. They will say, corner bra, or you say, bra. So we advise people too on what to do when there's an insurance claim. You know, there are life insurance companies here who have their policies that people don't understand. So when you buy a policy and you don't understand it, you can just call us. Oh, I bought this policy from company A, company B, company C. It says this and that and that. I don't understand. How do I go by it? We are there to assist you. When you have a claim and you don't know how to go about the claim too, you can also call us that, oh, I have this claim, I've sent to this company and they are delaying me. It's taking a number of days, I'm not hearing from them. You call us and we will call the company and put them to order. Yes.
Okay, so I want to ask this question.
Okay.
Knowing that all these companies are signed under you,
yes,
and you know their policies, do you go through them before they establish them?
So mostly we have standard policies that most of them go through. You know, insurance is about paying claims.
Okay.
So the policies that they have are generic. They are standard policies that they have. But everybody has ways of paying his claims, and customer service are unique. Yeah. You know, some of the companies mentioned some AI technologies that they chatbots that they have. Everybody has different ones. Some don't use chatbots. Some use telesales. Some call. Everybody has different ways. So it depends on how fast you pay your claims. That makes you unique. But all of them majority have almost the same policies. Yes.
Okay. So they seek permission from GIA.
From NIC.
NIC.
From National Insurance Commission.
Okay.
Yes.
Before.
Yes. Before. NIC gives them approval to sell the policies. Then we study the policies and make sure that whatever policy that they have sold and promised to do, they go by those terms. You know, some people will say that I have a policy, when something happens to you, within 48 hours, we will pay. That's what they've said on their policy document. But we must make sure that what you have said is truly what you are doing. You don't deceive the general public and spoil our image out there.
And that was the reason why you created the 2018, you created the...
Yes, to clear perception and solve issues for the general public when it comes to claims issues.
And have you had more
complaints? Since 2018, we've had over 3,000 issues. Since 2018.
Wow.
Yes, over 3,000, and 90% of them have been solved free of charge. We didn't charge them anything. Oh, okay. So people always say that, oh, I want to go to court, I want to go and see a lawyer. No,
it's not necessary. It's
not necessary. Just come to us. Our toll-free numbers are there. It's on the banner there. 0800 442 000. 0800 442 000. So call this number. It's a toll-free number. We also have a landline that you can also call. That is 0302 251 091. Call any of these numbers and we'll be there to assist you.
Okay, so where are you located?
We are at Kanda. We are at Kanda, yes. Close to the mosque, the National Mosque, the big mosque. On that stretch, we are on the left. So just give us a call. We'll be there to assist you. Unfortunately, we don't work on weekends, but during the weekdays from 8 o'clock to 4:30, call us and we'll assist you.
Okay. Yes. So you want to tell the general public that it costs nothing to walk in and file a complaint.
At all. It's free of charge. Just call us. We'll assist you. Get your issue resolved. Even if in any case we are not able to assist you, we also have a similar complaints bureau at NIC, similar as ours. So it's a 3-tier system. When your issue comes, go to the insurance company where you did the policy and lodge your complaint. If you feel you are not being listened to or your issue is not being addressed, don't worry. Come to us, the GIA Complaints Bureau. Come to us, we'll address the issue for you. Within a matter of a week or 2 weeks, your issue will be resolved for you. If you feel we're also not responsive enough and you want to go to NIC, you can also go to NIC. There will be as well for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your final words to the general public out there.
So what I want to say is that insurance is very good. Let's have a positive perception about insurance. Don't think insurance people are fraudsters. No, we are good. We pay claims. I said it earlier on that we pay claims a lot. So buy a policy. Come to Accra today to Saturday. So many insurance companies are here. Life insurance companies are here. General insurance companies are here. Talk to any of them and get a policy for yourself, and you will not regret. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I will be doing this with my colleague here, Abna Ahen, who would be taking over from me.
Okay, thank you, Irabna. Okay, intimate Emeka Chikakra, cause I say, bro, for no adults. Yeah, mommy be at baby or see, hey, bro, for baby, mente she I say, or ti premium or ti insurance, bro, for I can say baby. Inti I was say, yeah, bafem kakra, Emma abroabi or ti baby, and also be a funny buffon or sharing, ever Facebook, any YouTube. Now on so what the air coso na say. So basically, you know, you Accra more. Graphic, any GIA, any NIC, and a carbon no more yes, I made kama. So far so good, I made a mission yama be brave. Me give this more sharing Facebook, any YouTube on so a idea almost yama be brave. Into your hase, a copem a Saturday. Inti o sharing and I say o temenka na ebia untimi enko omo office untimi enko omo branch a ehye baby a and then na me too for say omo wa ha say insurance companies ni na e wa ha say oba beto omo na oni omo achechwe nkomo questions bi a wo de won ti ase oba omo beje we fel so na omo achechwe onyama ase inti yeguso a e wa ha say ebia na otemenka na ebia na utwe na otemen kana wentimi amba beka say oh stop na mantenentem enye too late here nyame ya admo chena so yeguso a e wa ha say Saturday so oba beto yen e wa ha say insurance companies ni na bi e wa ha say nti oba oni omo echechwe nkomo be church onyama ni so process steps ene de ekeka ho ni na onso wenya baby ashe nti no yeguso a e wa ha say na me kai wo say you stream live e wo Facebook daily graphic any YouTube and so okohonoma obehuyen ewo ho medase me de ema minia bema
Daniel Kebale asan mawie gan alo onya fonda asan mawie gan fio alo wo minto ma nyele ake kenya nu ogbe e bi ene eto ake insurance fair 2025 inyano over na insurance enye mawie gan mi inga inshako na kan level e chiminto nyele ake insurance fair 2025 yano ye Accra Mall food court ni over 30 insurance companies ye bie ni am exhibit am products ni am yo ke kole o to no protect o lorry o shia o air conditioner o phone o TV o ba chon bie insurance companies over 30 ye bie in fact ke insurance company jibo no be bie ni chon akeje insurance company jibo alomi male ke insurance company jibo no baby eje insurance company papa jibo onye nsegbe ewo asanu wo ewo kenye nu ngbe e bi eni cho ake insurance fair 2025 won fe na ekoni woke wame ni amebe formal sector mi many ame true coat and tie ni chumo imma mini ho ni ya jano mbokoni echu oba day ya construction sites kono obanyo chobie insurance from as low as 10 cedis to as high as 5,000 cedis a month oba now share me e wo ko nu ngbe e bia na obanyo chomi no over insurance over 30 insurance companies e bia keji oya insurance alo pa ko to eko lo ocho no check your policy no obanyo chobi e wo bia na nke ba colleague na achole rabna e kole ya insure me e wo nke ba le ni ewie.
I didn't understand that, but thank you so much, Zurich. Moving on to equity health insurance. So when we say equity health insurance, well, how do you respond?
Here for you.
Here for you. Okay, can you introduce yourself? Can you introduce yourself? Your name, please.
I'm Vanessa Taki. I'm with the Sales and Marketing Department.
Okay.
Cynthia Ompon, also with the Sales and Marketing Department.
Okay.
I'm Ashraf Fauza with Retails and Agency.
So who would I be talking to?
Vanessa.
Okay. Vanessa, how many years have Equity Health Insurance been running?
Equity Health Insurance, we've been in existence since 2017.
Oh.
And what we do is strictly health insurance. So anything health insurance, you can contact Equity Health Insurance.
Okay. So what are some of the policies you have for every individual out there?
Okay, so the good thing about Equity Health Insurance is our health insurance packages we've been able to design for individuals. You are looking at families, you are looking at corporate institutions, groups, family groups. Whoever you are, whatever your financial budget is, you are able to come to Equity Health Insurance so we get you a health insurance coverage.
You said whatever your financial budget is. What do you mean by that?
So looking at our current economical state, we are all of the view that health insurance or private health insurance is quite expensive.
Very much.
But what we have done at Equity differently is we have what we call the telemedicine, where you get to speak with a doctor, either via video or audio call, which is for just 6 Ghana cedis for a month, and you are able to speak to a doctor, being it a general or a specialist consultations. We are able to speak to you, get you your diagnosis, and if there's the need for you to get medications, we prescribe them to you and deliver it to your doorsteps, also for free.
Okay, so there have been lots of claims out there that anytime it's time for you to claim your insurance, it becomes very difficult. But you people have a sweet way of collecting our monies. How different is your company?
Okay, so ours is very, very different because it's health. And what we say at Equity Health Insurance is you can't do life without health. Hence, when it comes to claim payments, we say that we are the quickest claim payment because it's basically health. And health, you can't discriminate, you can't hold on to claims because at every point in time, there would be someone at the hospital in need of urgent health care or even a regular healthcare services.
Okay, so what is your most sought for policy in your company?
So currently we are looking at, yes, our telemedicine and our corporate, as well as our retail, where you get to pay as low as 18 Ghana cedis for the month to get health insurance.
As low as
18 Ghana cedis.
18 Ghana
Yes,
cedis.
please.
And how much am I going to claim if I want to claim my
So
policy?
with such a package, it's a monthly package. So as long as you are paying your 18 Ghana cedis for the month, whatever benefit you are entitled to for that particular month, Equity Health Insurance would be there for you. As we say, we are here for you.
Okay, so if I should sign up with your company,
Yeah.
and in a month time, in less than a month,
yes,
maybe what then unexpected happens.
Exactly.
Am I able to claim, or it becomes difficult, or you have a target I need to reach before I can start claiming?
So currently there isn't that. However, what we have done and what we are doing is for corporate institutions, there isn't any waiting period. However, for individuals who would want to be on an annual benefit, there is just a 1 month waiting period. After that, the policy would begin.
1 month?
Yes, please.
Oh, that's Equity,
Here for you.
If I like that. If something should happen to me in less than 1 month, meaning you can't do anything for me.
So because it's also health, I'm emphasizing on health because we say you can't do life without health. Without health, you can't get your motor insured. Without health, you can't go back to work to get the income you are looking at. However, we have various benefits we have put in place. So for individuals who can't wait for that 1 month, we advise that you take our telemedicine platform. You take advantage of that. You would equally get doctors who are very qualified. Doctors you would generally meet at airport women's. You are looking at Nyaho. You are looking at other health facilities who are equally on the telemedicine platform to get to speak to you, prescribe medications for you, and if there's the need for us to deliver the medications, we'll do that as well.
Okay, so let's move to, you made mention of the corporate sector.
Yes, yes.
And which is very formal.
Very, very, very formal.
And today we are representing informal and formal sectors.
Exactly.
What do you have for the informal sector?
So for the informal sector, we have the micro plan, which
Okay.
is a retail micro business for artisans as well.
Okay.
So for our mothers in the market, if you are an artisan with as low as 60 Ghana cedis also for the month, you get to ensure your health.
in terms of any other thing that concerns your healthcare. Yes.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. Thank you so much. Is there anything you want to tell individuals out there?
Yes, there is a lot. So Equity Health Insurance, we are here for you. We are inviting you to come to the Accra Mall, the food court, and our health packages are designed for all your healthcare needs. You are looking at consultations, specialist or general consultations, your medications, you are looking at being admitted, you are looking at death benefits, you are looking at birth benefits as well. Equity Health Insurance, we have various plans available to cater for your healthcare needs. And at Equity Health Insurance, as we always say, we are here for you.
We are here for you. Can you give us your social media handles?
You can follow us on all our social media handles at Equity Health Insurance. And we are glad to have you interact with us, share your discussions, share anything that you need us to clarify for you as well.
And
you
your
can
location.
equally call us on 050-378-3162 or 050-1515124, and we would be glad to hear from you. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you so much. And we are moving on to Prudential Life Insurance. When I say Prudential Life Insurance, how do you respond?
For every life, for every future.
For what?
For every life, for every future.
I said one better crowd. We are sure. Prudential Life Insurance.
For every life, for every future.
Okay. Introduce yourself, please.
Okay, so my name is William with the Tasano branch.
William.
Yeah.
Gertrude.
Okay.
Emma.
Okay. So.
I'm also called Fred.
Oh, Godfred, come in. Come
no, Fred.
Fred.
Exactly.
Oh, sorry. Who am I going to talk to?
All of us, I guess.
Okay, all of you. So tell me more about your insurance policies. What are the policies you have right now that would benefit people in the informal sector?
Okay, so Prudential Life is a life insurance company, meaning that we do only life in Ghana.
Okay.
We've been around for 177 years.
Huh?
You are shocked.
Oh, good.
Exactly, and we are not just in Ghana, we are in other parts of Africa, Asia. It actually started from the UK to the US, now to Asia, and then also now in Africa. And in Africa, Ghana was the first country that Prudential started with, and we've been at it for the last 11 years in Ghana. And our products, because it's live, it covers everything. So from as low as 3 Ghana cedis, you can get an insurance policy from us, to as high as you can imagine. So
are you lying to me? As low as?
As low as 3 Ghana cedis.
As low as?
3 Ghana cedis.
You all heard it too. As low as 3 Ghana cedis. Wherever you are, please come here with as low as 3 Ghana cedis. And how much can I claim?
You can claim for as low as 3 Ghana cedis. You should be able to claim something around 2,000.
Hey, massa.
Yes, and then also to any amount that you want, so it's unlimited.
Okay.
So you actually have policy that gives you unlimited sum assured. So when I say that, it means that, for instance, what's your name?
Rabna.
So Rabna, let's say you say, Rabna, I want to have 2 million Ghana cedis in my account in the next maybe 10 years. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible with Prudential, and we can guide you to be able to make that happen. And the good thing about that policy is that, which is the Pro-Wealth policy, they'll talk a lot more about it, is that you actually have the opportunity to get double of what you imagined at the end of the process. So that's the kind of company that we are, and we just believe in the life of people. That's our purpose, or whenever you call our name, you're here for every life, for every future.
It's only about
life. We are
life.
thinking about you today, your children, and the next generation, and that's all we are about.
Okay, so tell me about the policy you just mentioned. It's what? Pro-Wealth? Okay, Pro-Wealth. Yes.
Yeah, so Pro-Wealth is an endowment plan.
Okay.
What we do is that we are looking at financial security. You want to have a project in the next 5 years, or let's say you want to take your child to Harvard, or you want an opportunity to have a good money at the end of a period of time. So in here, we give you the opportunity to raise any amount of money you want. This is an unlimited fund.
Okay.
So provided you can pay, we are there to serve you. Then one good thing about this plan is that you've taken it as an investment plan. However, what did Prudential do? He took the policy for 15 years. That in 15 years, he wants 1 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Whatever his plan was. But in the 3rd year, he passed on. He left behind a wife and 2 beautiful children.
Okay.
So what Prudential does is we pay 1 million as a death benefit. Now, after paying this, the policy doesn't end. We are now going to continue this plan on behalf of the client for the next 12 years. So when the 12 years mature, we are now going to pay the investment value itself to the family he left behind.
You just made mention of the death benefit.
Yes.
He died after
Yes.
3 years.
Yes.
Is it going to be deducted from what he had invested in?
So our Prue Wealth plan says pay an X amount, okay, for an X benefit. Okay, so probably let's say you are paying 1,000 cedi for a benefit, but it has a maturity period. Probably you want this money at the end of 5 years. Now the 5 years is not due. However, right after 6 months, we say should the client pass on, okay, or should death occur, we still pay a death benefit. So after paying a death benefit is not about your contribution. It's about the insurance you took. Okay. So it isn't about how much you contributed, but it's about the benefit which is due at the said period of time. Yeah.
So what he's trying to say is that if you wanted 5 million in 5 years.
Okay.
6 months, unfortunately, you are touching wood, which is good. Something happens and you are no more. We pay that 5 million to your beneficiaries.
Oh.
Just there and then, right? The policy doesn't die. The insurance policy is designed such that it doesn't die. The company pays the policy for you until the end of that 5 years. And then another 5 million is still paid to the beneficiaries on the policy. During that same period, there's another element of that policy that is we call the family support income. So a certain percentage every year.
Every
is paid,
year?
Yes, to the family. Because the whole idea of that policy is that the life of the people you leave behind should not change. The expectations should not change. But what we've even done with that policy is that it goes beyond the expectation. You get ×2 the people that unfortunately you leave behind. And I can tell you, I'm a living testimony of this. I've actually handed over checks of 1 million and over to people, even this year. People have taken checks over 1 million, 2 million, 1 point something, 3 million, and we paid it clean, clear, no questions asked.
Okay, so let me get you. You said if someone should have a policy with you and the person dies, every year you are going to give a certain amount of money to their families. Is it that you're going to be on a payroll with your insurance company, or they have to chase you for their money? They need to bring some documents. You don't need to bring anything.
Okay, so once you take up the plan, so starting from the scratch, there's a debt, we pay debt benefit, okay? Now you took the policy for 5 years. Let's say the client did 2 years on the plan, so 3 years to mature. What we are going to do is we are going to pay you 10% family income benefit. So the 10% of the 5 million which was paid. So 10% of 5 million should be 500,000 cedis. So once a year, Prudential is going to pay this 500,000 to the living beneficiaries the client left. Okay, so it is automatic. I mean, it's a benefit which has been designed in there that the same way when a policy is due as well, while even though no one is paying, when it's due, the family gets to claim the maturity benefit itself. And the good thing about this is sometimes clients get to ask that, okay, it's as if someone dies, they get more benefit than, someone who survives the policy.
Did they lie?
No. So it's no and also yes. What we do is that we say, should you take up the plan? So right now you've taken up a 5 million plan. At the end of 5 years, the policy is due. You will pay your benefit. Now Prudential is going to give you what we call a 5-year free cover. What is 5-year free cover? It means for the next 5 years, we are going to give you an insurance cover where you don't pay a dime. And within these 5 extra years, should there be death or should there be total permanent disability, we still pay you another 5 million.
Okay, so with your Prue Wealth, you said pay an X amount of money. What is that X amount of money?
Okay, so
I can't pay 5 CD.
Okay.
I can't, right? So give me a figure.
A figure, okay. So let me say Prudential will give you a blank check, okay? A blank check to choose how much you want. But the minimum benefit you can get at the end of a safe period is 100,000 cedis.
100,000.
And then the maximum period you can take a policy is a 15-year plan. Okay, so for 15 years, on average, if you have to take up a 15-year plan and you want 100,000 cedis, average you should be paying about 270 to 300 a month.
Okay, I understand. And shortly, we just spoke about individuals. Let's talk about the companies, corporate companies. Do you have packages for them that covers for every individual? In fact, every individual in the company or the company itself?
Okay, so so we have what we call the Proof Body. Okay, so the Proof Body looks at a group of people, so say an old school union, or let's say we come to graphic, or let's say we come to an institution. You get to say that, okay, we have 20 employees. So these 20 employees, you want an insurance cover for each and every one of them.
Okay.
And this cover extends to their spouse. This
Extends to their spouse.
Their spouse. And then it also extends to 2 living adults.
Okay.
So if I'm on Proof Body, let's say my association takes up a group insurance at Prudential. So it means myself, I'm covered, one, on death, on disability, and also on critical illness. That is not just only about death, but I'm alive, but I get through an accident and I become permanently disabled. There's a benefit the company pays. If it's critical illness, we talk about an illness which actually incapacitates the person, kidney failure, cancer, all those you can mention. It also pays. But when it comes to the other 2 living adults and then your spouse, then we look at that. If any of them should pass on, there is also a benefit we pay.
Okay, so let's say, assuming I have an insurance policy with your company as a personal insurance, and my company has an insurance on my behalf with your company. Should anything happen to me, do I claim both, or you just give me one?
Okay, so one thing about life is, we say life, you cannot put a price tag on life. If I can do a 10 life insurance separate policies, when the event occurs, each plan is supposed to pay me. So I may have my individual plan, and my company has also taken a group plan. If the event does occur, every individual benefits are paid because you pay separate premiums for each.
Okay, so you have been in the system for so many years, meaning you have good customer service.
Yes.
Every individual complains about customer service. What sets you apart from the other insurance company?
So in Prudential, we have 5 values. One key value is the customer. And we say the customer is our compass. So if you've done geography, you know what a compass is.
I didn't do geography.
Fine, so my geography friends, let me help you. So a compass helps to guide you.
Yes.
Okay, so when you are even on high seas where there is no road and you are confused, it's the compass that would lead you. We believe that our business thrives on the customer. So we go where the customer goes, we do what the customer does, and we deliver what the customer delivers. Okay. So yesterday a customer had an issue in Ghana, but he had traveled to the UK.
Okay.
In less than 24 hours, that issue was resolved. He just texted me
in less than 24 hours.
It works
that fast?
It was a claim issue, 24 hours. That's same day.
Are you sure you're not lying? Are you sure?
I'll be happy that maybe some customers that have experienced us around.
In less than 24 hours. Ghana here.
Exactly. In the morning, I told him the issue has been resolved. Payment has been processed. We are waiting for authorization. I was even thinking, due to our banking system, maybe it will delay. Around 4 p.m., he just texted me and said, Fred, thank you. The cash is in.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So that's all I want to say about how we treat our customers. Of course, there are going to be opportunities where there will be lapses here and there, but it is the rebound, how you take the issue up again and how you try to deliver it. We also have touch points for our customers, so you don't even have to come to our office. You can use our short code, *778# to make a claim, to make all inquiries, receive your statements and all of that. We also have what we call the Pro Bot. It's a WhatsApp chat bot that you can also make some of these inquiries on. And then also all our agents. We have over 3,000 agents. Any of them.
3,000.
Exactly. You call them, they will be able to help you to get in touch with the customer service to have your issues resolved. And when you live long, there's a lot of wisdom in it, in the sense that you know the mistakes, you know what works and you know what doesn't work.
Yes.
And that is how come it sets us apart as far as dealing with customers is concerned.
Okay. It's like you people are really enticing me. Well, personally, I can't wait to say, Fred, thank you. The money is in. So, do you have any last words for people out there? We are streaming live on Facebook and YouTube. Would you want to say something to the people out there?
Yeah, so we want everyone out there to know insurance is a necessity. Before we look at taking up something, or you're not sure what to take or what to do, but you can't be working now and then you don't have an insurance. Insurance is evolving. I mean, we used to claim payments used to take longer, just as Fred was saying. Today, I mean, it's shorter, and all you need to do is let's always be truthful when taking up a plan. And when you take up an insurance plan, it doesn't just rest on the company to manage it fully for you. Be a client, be a customer. Walk to any of the office. Always check up on your policy. Try to make sure the policy is in good health. And when something happens tomorrow, that's not when you get challenges here and there. But if everything is okay, please, you are good to go.
Right.
Yeah. And right now, we can't wait to have you on, and then.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And we are moving on to, is it Serene? Serene Insurance. When we say Serene Insurance, how do you respond?
New face of insurance.
Serene Insurance.
The new face of insurance.
Okay, since you are girls here, introduce yourself.
My name is Walasi.
Walasi.
Yeah. My name is Josephine, marketing officer.
Okay.
I'm Gifty. And I'm Benes.
Benes. When we say Serene Insurance, what do you do? What are your policies?
Okay, so with Serene Insurance, we are a general insurance company.
General?
Yes. We offer motor insurance policies. That's the third party fire and theft. We have the comprehensive insurance policies. We also offer fire insurance. We have the engineering policies. We offer travel insurance policies as well. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you made mention of the policies again, the motor.
Yes.
And
fire. We have home insurance as well. That covers burglary, flood. Yeah.
You made mention of one particular one right now.
The travel insurance.
No, mention all your policies again.
The motor insurance policy. That's the third party fire and theft, and then comprehensive insurance.
Comprehensive.
Yes, comprehensive.
All of them you mentioned are self-explanatory, but with the comprehensive, I'm very interested. How does that benefit us? How does that work?
Okay, so with the comprehensive insurance, when, for instance, you end up in an accident, insurance is going to cover for your car and that of the third party's car.
So?
Yes.
Yours and the one
you've hit.
Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
So what is the startup package you have?
Okay, so for someone to buy the comprehensive insurance policy, the value of your car determines the premium that we are going to give.
My people are saying they can't hear you, so you need to amplify your voice so that they can really be convinced by what you're saying and come to your boat.
It depends on the value of your vehicle.
Okay.
And then we use that value to give you your premium that you pay for.
That is for the motor insurance.
Motor comprehensive insurance policy, yes. But for third party, it's a fixed rate.
Okay.
Yeah.
The life insurance, how does that one?
We don't
you don't
offer life insurance.
Your travel,
general,
your travel insurance, how does that work?
For our travel insurance policy, you need to let us know your destination, the number of days you are going to spend there, and then your age. So we use all those details to calculate the premium for you.
How much do I need to start?
For travel insurance?
Yes.
Oh, as low as $20. That's $20. That's where we convert.
Please,
200 Ghana cedis. Yes.
$20 coins.
For as low as 200 cedis, 150 Ghana cedis, you can have a travel insurance cover.
And after how many months can I start claiming?
depends. After a month, 2 months, you can start claiming for your travel.
After?
A month, or depends on the incidents, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
To a month or two.
Yes.
And if I should
so
start...
far as the travel insurance has not expired.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So if I should start... Okay.
Yeah. I think you're confusing the general with the life.
Okay.
So for a general, we don't pay money in pieces for a policy.
Oh, okay.
Yes. General insurance is a one-time payment for a year, for 3 months, for 1 month.
So 200 cedis for a month.
So even the 200 cedis, it will depend on the age of the person. It will depend on the destination the person is going. So you give us all these details, and then we do the calculation for you, and that will determine how much you pay for that period of time that you want.
Okay.
So just like taking a vehicle insurance for a year, you can opt to take a vehicle insurance for 3 months. You can opt to take vehicle insurance for 6 months. That's the same way as travel. So for travel, let's say I'm traveling to Singapore on a vacation, maybe 3 months vacation. I want an insurance policy cover for myself. You know, insurance policy is against a risk that is unforeseen.
Yes.
So I'm traveling. I might get sick. I might get an accident. My baggage can be missing. So I'm taking an insurance coverage for all these. So you give us the period in which you are traveling to, and then you give us your age. We do the calculations, and then you can pay as low as 200 cedis.
As low as 200
Even some
cedis.
people pay 90 cedis. Depending, that's what I'm saying, it's depending on the period and then your age.
So you have different packages.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. And is there anything you want to tell individuals out there?
I just want people to know that Serene Insurance, we have a swift claims payment.
Swift?
Yes, so you can trust us with your insurance. So just come to us, and then we provide you with the best service. Yeah, and Serena is also here for your quick motor insurance policy. You can just chat up Serena on 0500 517 114.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Your location and your social media handles.
We are located at the SU Towers Ridge.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your
Our
social media
handle. Yes, Serene Insurance. We are on Instagram, we are on LinkedIn, we are on TikTok as Serene Insurance Ghana.
Okay, thank you so much, Serene Insurance. And at this point, I would be handing over to Mr. Zurich to continue from where I stopped.
So I'm back to continue, and before I move to my next insurance company, I would like to say that was a great job.
Thank you so
much. I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Well, yes, I did.
So we are still here at the Insurance Fair 2025 under the theme Boosting Insurance in the Formal and Informal Sector. And before I move to Millennium Insurance, I want to show them that I've not just been going around, I'm picking up some terms. So I've heard one term, premium, and I've heard one term, claim. So I'm coming to claim my interview for Millennium Insurance. Clap for me. Oh, clap for me. I'm learning some of the terms. Clap for me, clap for me. So Millennium Insurance, in this interview that I'm going to claim, first introduce yourself to our viewers out there.
Okay. My name is Christine Alale Mensah, a Deputy Marketing Manager of Millennium Insurance Company.
Thank you very much, Christina. What about you?
My name is Clement Adamun Yaba.
So Christina, can you tell us, Millennium Insurance, what do you have for this year's fair? Last year you were with us. So this year, which new innovation are you bringing on board to excite anyone that can hear our voice here at the food court of the Accra Mall, and also live at Daily Graphic on Facebook and Graphic Online on YouTube?
Oh, we are saying shout out to our listeners and then our partners as well. Millennium Insurance, your partner, your trustworthy partner, sorry. So this year, we are coming out with exciting things. We just launched our WhatsApp platform, and we want our listeners and our customers to know about it. This is a new product. So you can contact us 050-139-4997. Let me take it again. Okay. 050-139-4997. 97. That's our WhatsApp platform. You can chat us and we'll get back to you.
So is it a chatbot or I'm actually chatting to a
Yes,
human?
please.
It's
Yes,
a chatbot.
please. Yes,
Okay.
a
So
chatbot.
what's that one policy you'd like anyone that can hear our voice to get for Millennium Insurance?
All right, thank you very much. As Millennium Insurance, we have a lot of products. We have the general one, that's motor insurance.
Okay.
We have fire.
Okay.
We have bonds that we do. We have contractors all risk, marine insurance, and a whole lot of insurance packages that you would need from us. We have them. But the product that we want to talk about is the Millennium Home Insurance.
Okay.
So with the Millennium Home Insurance, we are looking at a home insurance with a life insurance in it. A life insurance package.
So it's a dual coverage,
yes,
home
please.
and life.
Yes, it's in a package. So the home insurance take care of burglary, flood, and then fire.
Okay.
So that's the home insurance. And the life insurance part of it, that we are partnering with My Life, that one can give you accidental benefits.
Okay.
And then it can give you critical illness as well. So this is a package that Millennium Insurance, Home Insurance is giving to our customers. So when you sign on, it's not only fire that would be affected,
Yes.
or it's not only that burglary that you'll be affected, or
Very
not only
comprehensive.
flood, but it's a comprehensive package that life insurance is in, and then critical illness as well.
So that's fantastic. Thank you very much, Millennium Insurance. Once again, in case you are in a hurry, you can't make it to their stands for their lovely souvenirs, just save this number. I'm going over the number once again. The number is 050-139-4997. Once again, 050-139-4997. Millennium Insurance.
Your trustworthy partner.
Thank you very much, Millennium. So we are moving to the next booth. And the next booth is Enterprise Insurance. And Enterprise, they've been talking very, very tough this morning. Should I repeat what you told me?
Yes.
I was standing by somewhere, as we say. And Enterprise came to me and said, as you know, Lamborghini, we don't do adverts. Hey! Enterprise is the Lamborghini of insurance companies. Is that what you wanted me to understand?
Can I ask you a question?
Ask me the question.
If you are talking of the best pizza in the world, what comes to mind?
Maybe I'm thinking about Italy or New York.
No.
Or
which company comes to mind?
the best pizza.
Yeah.
Hey, don't put me in trouble. Oh.
Eh?
Don't put me in trouble. The best pizza.
Okay, let me come to Ghana. If you are talking about the best paste in Ghana, what comes to mind?
Oh, I know the white one, the white and blue one. Let's not
So the
give them.
pizza is McDonald's.
Okay. So in Ghana, when we say insurance,
We are talking about enterprise.
Enterprise, why are you saying so? Convince me. Why are you the best? Because as I can see, some people are not happy. Glyco is not happy. SIC is not happy with what you are saying. Millennium is not happy with what you are saying.
Okay.
Prudential is also not happy.
Okay.
So tell us your name so that they'll know where to find you to deal with you.
My name is Michael Enam.
Okay, so Michael, why is Enterprise the best?
Okay.
Why?
You see, we always set the path.
Yes.
They copy, then we move.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the path that you are coming to set here?
We always want to look different in the market.
Okay.
Do you understand? We all know about claim payment. Enterprise has come up with same-day claim.
Same day claim.
Just
wow.
drive your car to our airport office
Uh-huh.
with your estimate, with your driving license, then you are being paid.
On the same day.
Same day.
How many hours? You let me be sure. I don't want anybody to attack me in the street. I said same day.
Same day. I don't
Same
want to
day.
commit.
So what's the upper limit of the same day?
Same day is same day.
Even
Same day office close at 3. So latest by 3, you should be paid.
Okay, I think that's fair. So aside the same day payment, what's that special offer that you like our viewers at home
Okay.
or who are watching us live at Daily Graphic on Facebook and Graphic Online on
we
YouTube?
have something called third-party amplified.
Okay,
I can see that.
I can see that on the table here.
Others. So we are telling you, if you have a private car
Okay.
and you have third-party policy, add 100 cedis to that policy.
Okay.
That will give you an advantage. That your windscreen will be covered, side mirror, and minor scratch.
If it's a commercial, add 150. That's all.
Please,
Open.
please go over it again because you are
With
confusing
the
me.
third party amplifier. If it's a private car, add 100 cedis to the normal third party premium.
That I have with Enterprise already.
Yes.
I should add 100.
And your windscreen will be covered.
Okay.
Side mirror and minor scratch. If it's a commercial car, add 150 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Then you enjoy the advantage.
That's fantastic. But I can see you have all your offerings here, and I just want to ask you. I hope your souvenirs are on the way because my people that are coming here, they want.
Here because we are the best. They rush and pick all. But we've ordered.
Oh wow! Then you'll be very busy this morning. Congratulations.
Yes.
Congratulations, Enterprise. So finally, any parting words for our viewers at home before we move to the next insurance company?
Okay, we came up with the same day claim.
Okay.
Some copied and we said no, we need to move again. So we came up with the what? The express pay.
What's that? Express pay.
Okay, you sit in the comfort of your home, call any agent or call the office, we send you a link, you upload your documents, you track and you get paid.
From the way it seems Enterprise is raising the level,
we don't have a challenge. We don't have a challenge. We don't have a challenge.
Same day claim payment.
They
and
copy,
express.
we move.
So now you've left them behind.
But that one cry, they can't still do it.
Okay, thank you very much, Enterprise. Let's move on to see if they can reply you.
Enterprise.
Your advantage.
Enterprise.
Your advantage.
Enterprise, their vim is high. Their vim is high like a Man United fan that knows they are not going to win the league. So we are coming to Glyco. And I know there are 2 Glycos here from last year, my experience. So I'm told this year there are even 3. So we are coming to Glyco Live. Sir, can you take hold of this mic and introduce yourself and your team and tell us what Glyco Life is all about?
Wonderful. So my name is Nana Owaribonsu.
Okay.
I'm with Glyco Life Insurance Company, specifically the individual life department. And I'm here with all my team members. We have the branch manager for Accra.
Okay, a branch manager is here. So in case you want to speak to him, if you've never spoken to a branch manager before, this is one of your best opportunities to come here and speak to a branch manager direct. Anything you need, he'll be on hand to assist you. Okay?
Wonderful. And then his team members are also
okay,
around.
that's fine.
We are here to offer the Ghanaian public that will be visiting this fair wonderful packages and policies. I know everybody knows of life insurance.
Yes.
The moment you hear life insurance, one thing comes to mind. I must die before somebody will get money.
Exactly.
Or if I don't die, I don't get money.
Some people, because of that, people are not really enthused about life insurance because to them it's as if you are praying for your family member or your relation to die so that you get money.
Unfortunately, that is the conception, which is very wrong.
Okay, so educate us more. That's why we are here.
Wonderful. So for life insurance, what it does is you actually pick a policy.
Okay.
The policy you are picking is because you care about somebody.
Okay.
You don't buy life insurance for yourself or you the one buying and going to pay.
Okay.
It's really very much not necessary. But as long as you are alive and you are earning money, your money goes to someone else. Almost every Ghanaian worker pays somebody's school fees or feeds someone. When you are no more or you are become permanently disabled, what will happen to those people who depend on your income? That is what life insurance is all about. So you don't think about you, the buyer. You think about the children you are feeding, the children you're educating. You think about your parents who depends on your income for their medicals. If something happens to you where you can't work again, there's an injury, an accident, you can't go back to work again, or the ultimate death happens, then who takes care of them? It will be selfish on our part to say that God will take care of them.
Yeah.
As the average Ghanaian may say, when I'm no more, God will take care of my
They'll
family.
pray for you.
True, God will take care of them, but how does God take care of them? You don't want them to become beggars before they get something to eat.
Exactly.
If they have to go to church for church to raise funds for them before they can eat, then you're a selfish person. When you are earning an income, just a fraction of your income, probably about 5% of your income, can buy you a valid life insurance policy that can keep your income sustained even after your death. At Glyco, we advise that when you're buying a policy, buy a policy that gives a sum assured of at least 5 years your annual income. Okay. So if you are earning, say, 2,000 Ghana cedis, 2,000 times 60 months,
is the sum assured or the value you should be thinking about having for your family.
Okay.
If you don't have such a thing down, and all your life insurance will provide is 5,000, 10,000, it's very inadequate. On your passing or when you're permanently disabled, that 10,000 Ghana cedis may only sustain the house for about 2 months. Subsequently, what happens? So at Glyco, when you come in, we spend time to educate and to take you through the various policies and packages and help you to buy adequate insurance. And as well, I heard you ask one of our competitors, what is GIA? What makes them unique?
Exactly.
Glyco Life has this special product that we have introduced, which I know is unique on the market. No one else has it. We know with life insurance, it's when there's a person or when there's death, that is when we pay.
Exactly.
But we have a policy we call the Glyco Family Life Comprehensive Plan. It gives you that peace of mind that as long as you are active and you are working up until your retirement age, yourself and your spouse are insured and covered for as much as you want.
Okay.
Minimum of 100,000 Ghana cedis. What it means is that if yourself or your spouse is no more before your 60th birthday, Glyco Life will pay the selected sum assured, which could be, say, 500,000 Ghana cedis, 1 million Ghana cedis, to your named beneficiaries. The good news and the special thing about this is it doesn't cater for only death. Permanent disability, we are going to pay out. In the event where the policyholder also suffers a critical illness, we will pay out. Okay. And then the catch, which almost no insurance company has, which we have, is that after 10 years or on your retirement, all the premiums you have paid for this particular policy, buying you peace of mind, all the premiums you have paid will be refunded at maturity.
That's fantastic. Speaking of premiums, my final question. What's the lowest premium I can offer to get a Glyco Life policy?
Wonderful. So at Glyco Life, we have variety of products and packages. Every Ghanaian can sign up to a Glyco Life policy.
Okay.
We have as minimum as 15 Ghana cedis. And with that one, everyone, everywhere in the country, in any village, all you need to do is dial *765# and you are signed up.
*765# for Glyco Life.
For Glyco Life.
Okay.
And it gives you cover for death. You even get access to an online medical doctor to attend to you in the event where you have any medical emergency. All that is in there. So from 15 Ghana cedis up to as much as you can afford. Because as the premiums go higher, your benefit also goes higher. And right from the richest man in Ghana to the poorest man in Ghana, everybody can sign up to a Glyco Life policy.
Thank you very much, sir. So once again, Glyco said I should remind you that aside their low premiums of 15 cedis to as much as you can, they also have some fantastic souvenirs for you. I can see some exercise books, so in case you need some for your ward, just walk into Glyco Life, pick up some exercise books, and have a conversation with them. In fact, have a conversation before you pick up the exercise books, just to be fair. Okay, so we are here at another Glyco. This is Glyco Healthcare.
Glyco General and Glyco Healthcare, yes.
Okay, so Glyco General and Glyco Healthcare. So please introduce yourself and explain to me what's the difference between the Glyco Life and the Glyco General.
Okay. My name is Vera Doyo Asante. I'm the La Paz branch manager for Glyco General.
The branch managers are in the house.
Yes, we are here.
If you've never spoken to a branch manager, this may be your finest opportunity. There are some companies that you give them money, even when you have an issue and you enter the branch, you will not see the branch manager. Yes. They'll give you the security man to engage.
Absolutely.
So the branch manager is here.
Yes.
You can come and engage the branch manager.
We operate an open door policy, so we are all over the place.
Okay, so tell us the difference. Glyco General and Glyco Life.
Glyco Life handles life businesses. Glyco General handles non-life businesses. So like your home insurance, your car insurance, oil and gas, marine, engineering, all of those bonds and other non-life, we handle it. We have individuals as well, like the motto is for individuals.
Okay.
And we have personal accidents as well. Now we have a new personal accident insurance for students, for the university students. As low as 50 Ghana cedis, you can buy a personal accident cover as a student. So we have for primary school and universities. So in the events where they are playing football and they get injured, they are going for excursions and they get injured, they are covered. 24-hour policy. They don't have to be at the school during the injury before we will pay. Even if they are home and they get any injury, we are paying. As low as 50 cedis, they are going to get up to 10,000 Ghana cedis In the event of any injury or
You know, these my student colleagues. They they may not work here. So do you have a short code or some online platform or some app? They will not come here. They'll be hearing the thing, no, but they will not come.
No, but you have the parents here and the teachers and the everything around. So once they are here, we also educate them more on it.
Okay.
So we'll be going to their schools, but we don't have our short code ready yet, but it's in the process.
Okay,
so very
that's
soon
fine.
we'll bring it out there for the public to be able to sign up for this product.
Okay, so aside the offering to the students, which other policy do you have as Glyco Life?
Glyco General.
Glyco General.
So we have the agric products as well for our farmers. They are not
Okay.
left out. We have agric products, and we have for the MSCs as well. We have for the mechanics, the dressmakers, and the tailors, and the artisans. They are all covered.
Oh, you are really living up to the theme of today's event.
Yeah, we believe in
insurance.
We believe in
informal.
inclusivity, so that's the beauty of it. So that's about it. So everyone is covered. You don't have to be in the office or even. As far as you are a Ghanaian and you're a human being, we have something for you.
That's fantastic. You know, when we were growing up, they used to say, Glyco, man, you are covered. Now, what's the new one? I don't hear it do.
It was Glyco, we cushion you for life. So you have that TV3 advert where the person was driving the cliff and it absolutely. So that's the beauty of Glyco. We meet you there. Once you have any issue, then we'll cushion you. We don't allow you to fall down on the ground flat. No. We meet you up there and indemnify you and bring you to a position before the incident occurs.
So when I say Glyco, you say?
We
cushion you for life. Fantastic.
But Glyco Healthcare is here to say something.
Okay. So Glyco Healthcare, sign us off. What's Glyco Healthcare all about?
Yes, Glyco Healthcare, we provide private health insurance to individuals, students, and organizations, and basically anyone who can afford our health policy. Yes, that's all about. And we have individual health policies. Health policies, we have types of it. We have ones for kids, that's below 18.
Okay.
And we have ones for above 18 also. We have for the aged to those above 60.
Okay.
We have the type of health policy we give to them, and those below 60. We have a type of health policy we give to them. And we provide to corporates also, as I said. We have a different policy like tourists. Yes, maybe a foreigner, or you want to go to any recreational center and you want to still get yourself covered. Exactly. We have an health insurance policy for you. Yes, and we have student plans also. Exactly. Yes, we have health policies for students where they pay for a semester and they are covered. Yes, and we have the last one in which
Glyco has a lot. I can see a lot, but
the last one which we will encourage everyone to do it. That's Glyco e-health. It's a standalone product. It was an additional benefit to our health insurance benefit, but we are making it a standalone product. Even today, we are registering everyone for free. That Glyco e-health gives you the opportunity to consult with doctors virtually. Anywhere you are, you can just sit at your comfort zones and talk to a doctor about anything that's wrong with you.
That's fantastic. So you are saying if anyone just walks in here,
yes,
you are going to register them for free.
For free today, yes.
And they will get access to a licensed medical professional.
Yes, a professional doctor, qualified doctor. When you want to consult, that's where you get to pay. But our prices are very affordable, and we have as low as 20 cedis. You can talk to a doctor anywhere you are, and follow-up calls are not part. Follow-up in the sense you call today about your head, and you call next day about. It doesn't count as another consultation. So as low with 20 cedis, you can talk to a doctor anywhere you are. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's Glyco. And as usual, Glyco, the souvenirs are here. So just walk in, have a conversation with the people from Glyco General, Glyco Healthcare, and Glyco Life. Have a conversation with them and get signed on. So my people at Enterprise Life, they are busy at work. I think this is the second enterprise I'm coming to. So, madam, can you introduce yourself and tell me the difference between the first enterprise insurance that I went to and the enterprise life.
Okay, so my name is Christiana Sabia. I'm the branch manager for the Jorulu branch. This is enterprise life. The difference between...
Hold on, let me repeat once again. In case you've never spoken to a branch manager in your life, this fair is the best opportunity to engage a branch manager, a sales manager, behind a manager. This is the best opportunity to engage a manager. So carry on before I rudely interrupted you. Carry on.
So the difference between enterprise life and enterprise general. Dino krabedi kanya kacho. Life. One nipa nankasa first. General, everything around you the nipa no. It's not in relation to one kasa specifically, but the life is you specifically. So here we talk about, or we deal with the funeral policies, your education policies, your family financial policies and all that, as compared to general. General wo car no wo ho, wo dan no wo ho, wo business no wo ho. I had the nipa dua nankasa ni ehia wo ha.
Exactly. So I have insurance policies with all the companies here.
Okay.
All the 30 companies here, I have policies with them. But I'm serious. I'll show you my phone. Do you doubt me? Me, I don't lie. My family, we don't lie. We have insurance against lying. So recently I had an experience with Enterprise Life, and the experience is that I was just there. I have some policies with Enterprise Life. I needed money. I walked into the branch and I told the lady that, please, I need some money. So my money that's with you, give me some. I don't know what she did, but she went in there, did some calculations. She said, okay, you can take 2,000 from this. You can take 1,000 from this.
Let me also rudely interrupt you. Did you actually walk into a branch?
Yes, I walked into a branch.
Okay, so now with Enterprise Life, my number is 050-722-7792. Now I don't need you to walk into a branch again. Okay. Give me a call. Be in the comfort of your office or your home. I will come in there and do what he came to the branch to do for you. I will do for you. That is convenience at your doorstep.
So even though I had the policy and let's say it had not matured, there was not time to claim, I just told the lady that I need money. She did the calculation. You can take 2 from here, you can take 1,000 from here, you can take 5 from here, and I got the money in 3 days. So how does that work? Even though maybe it's a life insurance policy, the person is not dead, I'm not dead, I'm still alive. I walk in, say I need money, and give my money. How does it work?
The way, when it comes to claim premium deduction,
yes,
we don't take time to deduct you. We told you that we are deducting you every month.
Yes.
On the date when your deduction happens, it happens. Is that not it?
At times I found my face when it happens.
Exactly. Do you know why you found?
No.
Oh, okay. What I say?
I get it. I get it.
And you know, on that day we do the deduction. So if they na basewo beji wusika, what again are we supposed to do? If we deduct on that day, we have to pay you on that day. That is how it works.
So just introduce us to one of your policies that you think will be a hit at this insurance fair today. The policy that if somebody comes here, even if they don't get anything at all, they should get that policy.
Best on the market, Okoshoba form, that is what you have. Is our family income security plan. This is a replacement income for all families, whether or parent or who parent in who. So far as this is how it works. So it has an investment component on it and it has a risk component on it. So the risk component, this is where it takes part of your critical illnesses, be a baby for level, talking of cancer, kidney related diseases, blood related diseases and all that. You are covered on that. When it comes to okay, which kind of investments can I also do for myself and all that? Usually some people say for insurance, I don't even get to benefit.
Okay.
So there's an investment that runs on the policy for you. We call it the personal pension. This one is not when we call 60 years and now we'll do 60 years answer. You pick the policy for 10 years. When the 10 years lapses, your policy has matured. All your investments on that policy has matured. Now
call. Before the 10 years, yeah, Fred BB, a friend of cash bonus. It runs on the policy for you. Every 3 years, check on the policy. When it has matured, Jenna Kodi free of charge. Obian Jawoshe. So if you have that side of it, a funnels component too on it. If your mom is alive, your dad is alive, your sibling, you can put them on there. Into when we say one policy.
Exactly.
But BBI was to be.
Exactly.
Into when we pay then.
Oh, upe then they
Into
open.
what's our policy is what? Let any of these things before you. Mama mean free more, papa free more. Don't get bothered. Yes, who kwe yes no unsen kofo sun bebre. I wouldn't into a musu.
Ohiya wa ebusi anu mo ana.
Me da se wo ho. Wako transitions and who say yesun bebre wo ho da. Thank you. Sika e kasa.
Yesuni swag.
What I say? Sika e kasa. So pick this policy. Save yourself from all the stress and you are sorted. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was the good people from Enterprise Life. And as I keep saying, if you drove a vehicle here, just walk into the stands. It's the 2025 insurance fair. You can get goodies for your vehicle. There are tissues for your car, there are exercise books, there are key holders, there are openers, there are diaries. So just walk in, just have a conversation with any of the people exhibiting here, and you will not walk away empty-handed. Trust me. If they don't give you anything, just contact me. I'll pick something for you. So let's move on to the next insurance company, which I'm not too sure about the pronunciation of their name, but I'm told it's NCIA. NCIA. I used to say NSIA, but it's NCIA Insurance. So NCIA, can you tell us a bit more about your company? What does NCIA Insurance do?
Okay. NCIA Insurance do general insurance. That's the motor insurance, marine, bonds, home insurance, fire insurance, then travel too. We do travel.
Okay, so can you give me a breakdown? Can you go deep into one of these policies and how one can get signed on in terms of premiums and claims? Okay, so introduce yourself and take us away.
My name is Daniel Hagen.
Okay.
Accra branch manager.
Should I say it again or it's okay? Should I say it again? In case you've never spoken to a branch manager in your life, just walk in here. I've counted about 10 branch managers, about 16 sales managers. You can walk in and have a conversation with a branch manager for the first time in your life. Pick his number, get a policy, walk away with something for your vehicle or your child, or a key holder, or a duffel bag, or a tote bag. There are so many goodies here for you. So carry on, Mr. Hagen.
Okay. As she said, we have motor insurance which covers our cars on the road, the risk involved when driving your car. And with the motor insurance, we have three types. We have the third party only. Okay. We have the third party fire and theft. We also have the comprehensive, which is the most, the one that covers all the risks involved. For the third party only, it covers the damages you may cause to another person's property. And the third party fire and theft covers the damage you may cause to another person's property, and in case the car should be stolen, it covers that one too. And in case the car should be set ablaze, I mean fire should set into the car, it covers that one too. And the comprehensive covers self-damage, that is the car itself, in case there should be an accident. Exactly. Yes, the comprehensive covers that one too, and it covers the initial two covers too, the third party only and the fire.
So the people listening to me are a bit curious. They want to know what are the figures attached. If I want insurance for my Corolla from NCIA, how much should I have in mind?
Okay, for third parties, we have fixed premiums, which is given to the insurance company by NIC, National Insurance Commission, which are fixed. We don't do anything to it. And for comprehensive, it depends on the value of your car.
Okay.
It depends on the value of your car and the usage of the car. Yes. So let's say your car is around, the value of your car is around 40,000. We charge for, when it is private, we charge 5% of the 40,000. We add the third party component.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you want to leave everything, your you put all the risk on the insurance company. We call it excess bought back. Yes. So if you want to buy excess too, we charge 10% on it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we are still here at the Accra Mall Food Court. It's all about insurance. In case you have no knowledge about insurance, just walk in here to the booths. There are over 30 insurance companies here, and NCI is going to tell us why you should choose them ahead of the other 30 insurance companies.
Okay, NCI Insurance is one of the subsidiary companies of NCI Group. NCI Group is a Pan-African. Yeah. So we are
can see about 12 African countries.
Yes, we are in 12 different African countries. Yeah, and
it means your backbone is strong.
Very well, very well. So NCI Ghana, choose NCI Ghana because we pay claims when your claim is 5,000 or less. We pay claims in 24 hours. When the discharge voucher is signed, we pay it 24 hours. We pay VAR Momo too. Yes. So, and as we know, insurance is all about paying claims. If you pay your claims well, that is the best practice of insurance.
That's fantastic, NCA. So if you have any final words for our viewers at home watching us at Daily Graphic on Facebook, Graphic Online on YouTube, you can pass the message to them as we move on.
Okay, the perception about insurance. I want to clear the perception about insurance.
Okay.
Most people see insurance companies as scams.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unfortunately,
yes. That is not it.
Yes.
Yes. Every policy has terms and conditions.
Yes.
Yes. So when you are buying a policy, you should know what the policy covers.
And exactly, and that's why we are here.
Yes.
In case you are not sure, just walk in here.
Yes.
Ask any question you need to ask.
Yes.
And you will not walk away empty-handed.
Yes, exactly.
You will not walk away empty-handed. So just walk in and have a conversation about insurance.
Yes.
There are a lot of goodies here that you can take away.
Yes, exactly. So you just have to understand what you are buying, so that when there is any accident, you know what you do. Yes. And in NCI Insurance, we also have a digital
chatbot.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have NCI-based chatbots, and we also have a USSD code that anybody at anywhere.
Can you just give us the code? Just go over the code again.
The code is *714*200#.
Okay, so in case you can hear our voice and you can't make it here, the code is
*714*200#.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, NCA. So we are still here continuing our coverage of the 2025 Insurance Fair, brought to you by the Graphic Communications Group Limited, Ghana Insurance Association, and the National Insurance Commission. Thank you very much, guys. So we'll still be bringing you our coverage as and when we get new viewers. We'll speak to them. We are still encouraging you to come through here at the food court of the Accra Mall. Engage the over 30 insurance companies here. Have a conversation with them and get signed on. Even if you don't want to get signed on, just come in here. Pick something for your vehicle. Pick an exercise book. Pick a diary. Have a conversation with anyone around. Get to know more about insurance and how it can support you, your life, your family, your property, your house, your travels. Just get in here, have a conversation with any of them. If you have any challenges, just ask of me, I'll sort you out. Thank you very much, guys. We are still coming to you live from the food court of the Accra Mall in Accra. Thank you.
Source of power, adding to your options, knowing that quality and standard remains intact, and our content, which is accepted as truth and accuracy every day, is accessible on the go. Access your favorite daily graphic and our weeklies, The Mirror, Graphic Business, Graphic Showbiz, Junior Graphic, and Graphic Sports on Graphic News Plus app. It's the digital replicas of our work. Download Graphic News Plus app on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and available on www.graphicnewsplus.com as you remain staying abreast of and keep pace with on-the-minute news updates on the go. Home sweet home. Welcome family and friends. Choose the bundle that best works for you from as low as 10 Ghana cedis weekly for unlimited access to all publications. Graphic, truth and accuracy every day. Information is a great source of power, adding to your options, knowing that quality and standard remains intact and our content, which is accepted as truth and accuracy every day, is accessible on the go. Access your favorite daily graphic and our weeklies, The Mirror, Graphic